next. Traits towards success. Number 1, pakibasa sabay-sabay. Never negative. Always have a positive outlook in life. Number 2, teachability. Always have the attitude of learning. Okay? Yung kahit sino or kahit kailan may training, may presentation, masyado kang open for information. Please be teachable. Even though you are doctors, you are lawyers, you are successful people, this is a new industry. You need to learn. Would you agree? Number 3, pakibasa. Please be generous, be giving. Okay? Whatever you sow is what you reap. If you give, you will receive. Be generous. Share your blessings to other people. That's the only time that you will be blessed more, if you will share your blessings to other people. Would you agree? Okay, so dito we are promoting generosity. Number 4, pakibasa. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Dapat makapal ang... Let's face it. Kasi minsan daw habang kumakapal yung bulsa mo, kumakapal din yung inyong mukha. Let's face it mga kapatid. Sino sa inyo mahihain? Taas ang mga kamay. Okay? Hindi pa nga kayo mahihain eh. Nagtaas kayo ng kamay eh. Diba? Whenever may nakakita ako mga taong mahihain, ito sinasabi ko sa kanila, alam mo kahit paminsan-minsan naman sabi ko niyan, pakakainin ka ba ng pagiging mahihain mo? Hindi, di ba? Kung naging mahihain ka, ano mangyayari sa'yo? Lagi ka nakaganyan, lagi ka nakayuko, di ba? Hindi ka pakakainin yan. My point is, okay, at a point in time naman, dapat lumaban ka. Maging makapal ka ng konti. Okay lang naman maging makapal, as long as tama yung pamamaraan. Okay? Number 5, pakibasa. Sometimes, you know what? You should be excited and be enthusiastic. Remember this, people will buy you before they buy your opportunity. Alam niyo, minsan pag nagpe-present ka, minsan wala namang kwenta yung pine-present mo eh. Ang inintindi ng tao, sino ba yung nagpe-present sa akin? Di ba? Pag binili ka na niyang taong yan, yung negosyo mo kasabay na. Be excited and enthusiastic. Next, pakibasa yung sunod. Drive towards your vision. As I've mentioned to you a while ago, you should set your vision and focus on it. Whatever happens, focus on your vision. Kung nag-fail ka, so what? Focus on your vision. Next, pakibasa. Be diligent. Be consistent and steady in application. Alam nyo, let's face it, before, talagang ako hanggang ngayon, talagang excited ako mag-gym. Gagawin ko rin yan. Next week. Okay? Ito yung point ko. Before talagang regular ako sa gym. Everyday loss. And then, after a week, minsan 3 times na lang. Tapos susunod na linggo, 2 times na lang. Hanggang 1 time na lang, hanggang di na ako nag-gym. At ngayon talaga natigil. Bakit? Hindi ako naging consistent. Dapat gawin mong lifestyle. Okay? Dapat internalize mo. Di ba? Pag medyo nag-miss out ka sa presentation kinabukasan, dapat bumawi ka next day. Kasi pag hindi ka nakapag-present ngayon at bukas hindi ka nakapag-present, tatama rin ka sa susunod. Darating yung panahon, mapapansin mo, grabe, 1 week na ako hindi nakapag-present. Grabe, 2 weeks na. Hindi na naging part ng lifestyle mo. Dapat maging consistent ka. And you should discipline yourself. Let's go to the next. Pakibasa. Incredible persistence, patience, and at the same time, prayer. Do you believe that prayers can move mountains? So it's very simple. Prayers can also give you millions in life. Would you agree? So it starts from God. Okay? Because God will give us all our provisions. Number 2. Pakibasa. Resourcefulness. Dito po, I don't believe kung ang katwiran sa akin ng kausap ko, Joey, I don't have money. Pag nag-present ako at ang sinabi sa akin, hindi ko pa pwedeng gawin yung negosyo mo, Joey, bakit? Wala akong pera. Ito lang sinasagot ko. Kaya nga kita kinakausap dahil kailangan mo magkapera kasi pagkakakitaan to. Diba? Kasi ako I believe kung gusto gagawa ng, kung ayaw maraming dahilan. Time. Some people will tell you, I don't have time, I'm busy. Sabi ko, it's not a matter of time eh. It's a matter of priority. The reason why you're not doing that, because that's not your priority. Kasi kung priority mo yan, gagawin mo yan. Tama ba? Ganun naman yun eh. Alam mo, minsan yung issue na, wala akong oras. Hindi totoo yun. Hindi lang yun ang priority niya. Diba? Pakita mo sa kanila na ito ang dapat mo i-prioridad. Bakit? Kasi itong magbibigay sa'yo ng future mo. Maliwanag? So be resourceful in terms of time, capital, training, and health. Next.